Welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to hide match history in Dota 2, so you can keep your game records private with just a few simple clicks. Step 1. Hiding your match history in Dota 2 is very simple. First, go to the main menu of the game, and at the top left corner, click the settings icon. Step 2. Inside the settings menu, click on the Social tab. This is where you'll find all your privacy and community-related options. Step 3. Look for the option that says Expose Public Match Data. This setting controls whether other players can view your full match history. Step 4. If the button is glowing, it means your match data is currently visible to everyone. To hide it, simply click the button and it will turn off, making the setting inactive. Once it's disabled, your match history will no longer be publicly viewable. This is great if you prefer to keep your gameplay private or avoid unnecessary attention. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more quick and useful Dota 2 tips.